everybody, and welcome to my channel. I have an unpackaging here today for you from Temu. Don't quote me on it, I think it's from Temu. And I can't find my cloud cutter. Oh, it's in the windowsill. Alright. Alright, so it's just 3 items. 2 of them I got for free because I'm part of the Temu circle, and one of them I paid for it. It said I had to get an item. I had to order something. So I got this bow. Thought it was super cute. I have really been into strawberries lately. Like, I don't know, I have a lot of hair strawberry stuff. Sorry for the crinkling. I have a lot of hair strawberry stuff. So I seen this and I thought it was super cute. Has the little pearls, which I didn't know it was gonna have, and then it has the strawberries, and it's got the clip on the back. Super cute. That was like super cheap too. Next thing I got is for items that we need to put up like on the wall to keep them safe. I tried this little thing and you hook it to that didn't work, so we're trying this. So it's a magnet and you stick the other one to it, kind of thing. I'll open it up so I can show you maybe better. So this sticks to it, and then this is a magnet. I'm not sure how this works. I think this one's missing something. I got another one. Huh. Looks like they're all like that. So I'm not exactly sure how to use these at the moment now. So I will try and look these up and see how to use them. Anyway, that is what I got. Oh, I said 3. I only showed you 2. So I am a bus monitor, and we have to wear name tags now. So I got this. It says, "They see me rolling, they waiting." It's got the school bus. And on the back it has where it turns, and then I can put my name tag here and it stretches. I thought that was really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.